National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-spot hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near 5 or 8 miles southwest of Rayville and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Fort Payne, Rayville, Little River Canyon National Preserve, Edgar, Sylvania, Fife, Little River Falls, Valley Head, Hammondville, and Pine Ridge. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: DeKalb, Alabama,